In this video, we're going to show you how to connect your iPad or tablet to a Windows PC. So for this video, it's going to be the iPad, but it's the same for Android if you want to use it for your Android device. So the first step is to download the Splashtop app on your iPad or Android tablet. So just go to your Play Store or App Store. For this case, App Store because you're using an iPad, and search for Splashtop and install the app to your Apple device. Step 2 is to install the Splashtop X Display Agent on your Windows PC. Go to the Splashtop website and just download it. It's on the home page. Step 3 is use a charging cable to connect your iPad or tablet to the computer once the software gets installed, and then launch the app on both devices. So it's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be there. It's gonna be connected, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.